Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda 750 Shadow Aero. This is a beautiful two-tone metallic silver and white paint scheme. V-twin 750 liquid cooled. Got a fantastic sounding Shorty Vance & Hines exhaust system. Also has the saddlebag stays in a nice tall backrest for your passenger. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Price to sell at just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Nice big sound. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.